How to activate Banco Sabadell debit card. If you've just received your new Banco Sabadell debit card, you'll need to activate it before making any payments or withdrawals. Here's the quick and safe way to do it. First, log into your Banco Sabadell mobile app using your credentials or biometric login. Once you're in, go to the Cards section from the main dashboard. Select the debit card you want to activate. It should appear as inactive or pending activation. Now, tap Activate Card and follow the on-screen instructions. The app may ask you to confirm using an SMS code or your digital signature PIN. Once confirmed, your card will be activated instantly. Alternatively, you can also activate your card at any Banco Sabadell ATM. Just insert the card, enter your PIN, and perform a simple transaction like checking your balance. That will complete the activation process. If you received your PIN separately, make sure to change it immediately after activation for extra security, and if you face any issues, contact Banco Sabadell customer service for support. That's it. Your Banco Sabadell debit card is now active and ready to use. Thanks for watching.